In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the size of a comment box in SurveyMonkey. This can be particularly useful when you want to provide your respondents with a larger space to express their thoughts and feedback clearly. If you're crafting a survey and you find that the default size of the comment box is a bit too small for the kind of detailed answers you're seeking, follow along as I walk you through the steps to customize it to better suit your needs. First, start by opening up your survey in the Design Survey tab. This is where you can see the layout of your survey and make any necessary adjustments. Once you have your survey open, locate the comment box question, which is designed to collect open-ended responses. Click on the comment box that you want to resize. This action will take you into the question editor, where you can customize the settings for that particular question. Next, look for the Options tab within the question editor. This tab is key because it holds the settings you'll need to modify the size of your comment box. Once you're there, click on either Adjust Question Layout or Change Question Size and Placement. These options will allow you to access different parameters you can tweak to fit your survey's needs. Underneath these options, you'll find a field labeled Character Width. This field is quite important, as it dictates how many characters can fit across the text box. For example, setting it to 50 characters wide means respondents can type 50 characters before text begins to wrap to the next line. You can adjust this according to how wide you want the comment box to appear. Moreover, if your survey requires more detailed feedback, it might be helpful to adjust the number of visible lines. This setting may be referred to as lines deep, and it controls how many lines are visible in the text box before a scroll bar appears. The default setting is usually around 3 lines by 50 characters, which might not be sufficient if you anticipate longer responses. Consider expanding it to 5 to 10 lines or even more. Providing this extra space helps ensure that respondents aren't hindered by a cramped text box and can freely provide the comprehensive answers you're looking for. Increasing the size of these boxes can significantly enhance the user experience by making respondents feel more comfortable when entering lengthy text. It's these small adjustments that can improve the quality of the feedback you receive, ultimately benefiting your survey results. That's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to adjust the size of your comment boxes, paving the way for more detailed and useful responses from your survey participants. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.